Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi. Today we'll see what is Metro Brands is, also the financial status of Metro Bonds, because it has come for IPO on 10th December 2021. It has come with a price band of 485 to 500 rupees and quantity per lot is 30. In the sense, you need to apply for this IPO with 15,000 rupees till you can apply till 14th December 2021. So, shall we apply or not? Let us see based on the company and objective of entering into IPO, also by seeing the financial statements. Okay, of course, this is known brand and everybody, whoever wants to buy any kind of a chappal or shoe or anything, we just prefer the Metro Brands. Also, we slightly look into this financial statement also. Anyway, the investments are subject to market risk. So, before applying for this IPO, please do your own personal analysis. Then take a decision whether you can apply for it or not. Okay. So, now, this is how the home page of Metro Brands look like. These are into footwear retailers. Okay, so they themselves are saying in the first slide that in 1955 they have started. Almost 65 to 70 years of experience they have in the footwear retail industry. That's a good experience. Of course, it's a good brand also as of now. Right? Now, let us see how the expanded and how many states it is giving their services and what kind of services it is giving. So, it has 586 stores in 134 cities. This is what the highlighted one first. A good number of stores it is having, 586. It is also having a subsidiary that is Medmill Footwear Private Limited and also has a joint venture with MV Shoe Care Private Limited. And if you see the services provided by this Metro Brands, first one is e-commerce, online also you can order, and retailing. Under retailing, they have Sivo, that is company owned and company operated. The company itself is own that outlet and also they are operating on their own. So these are not mingled with any other brands. So that is what one kind of a retailing. Also multi-brand outlets. So with n number of brands they are having their outlets. And exclusive brand outlets, only for Metro they have their outlets, and also shop in shops. These are the different various methods they are adopting to do their retailing business in footwear. Even in e-commerce also, online, because everything now it has become 90% of the services are online. So they have also started their e-commerce activities. Now, let us see the brands, what they are offering, means what are the products we can see on Metro Brands. Those are Mochi. So almost everybody know about it. By seeing the logo itself, everybody says that it's a branded footwear. Yes, of course, Walkway, this also Metro Shoe, right? And Crocs and Chimo, Fit Flop, also Da Vinci. These are what the brands they are offering on Metro Brands footwear. It is not exclusive for men or women. It is exclusive for everybody. Men, women, also the children. Okay. Now, let us see who are the peers of them, who are already in stock market, who have already listed in the stock market and performing well on the stock market. Those are Relaxo footwear also, some kind it's rocking, even Bata, oldest company we can say, and Liberty, Mirza, Steel Leathers, Kadim and Bhartiya. These are what the peers who are offering their services also listed on the stock market. Now, let us see the financials. First, let us start with the balance sheet. Here, I have taken only 3 years data from 19 2019, 2020 and 2021 till March 31st. Okay, so of course the share capital at present they are having 13,276 because they have come for IPO. Probably definitely there is a scope for increasing this IPO in this year, right? Yes, and reserves. See, if you see the reserves, almost it is increasing from 53 to 64, 64 to 67. So they are increasing. Okay, yes, good. And borrowings also, it is increased till 2020, but it has come down in the year 2021. Means they have paid some loans, isn't it? Yes, they have paid some debt. Then other liabilities, yes, 142 to 208. The other liabilities have increased little, and fixed assets there is no much change. Of course, there is a little decline, but there is no much change. And investments are also have increased. So here the reserves are increased, investments are increased, and there's no much change in the fixed assets. Borrowings have come down, but other liabilities little increase. So overall balance sheet is, of course, it's a good, we can say. And when come for profit and loss account, yes, the sales in the year 19 to 20 it is increased, 2021 it has come down. And expenses, as the sales are increasing, here the expenses also increased from 19 to 20, but 2020 to 2021 it has come down. Expenses have come down, fine. The total income also came down, and profit after tax also came down. That is only in this financial year. Earlier there was a quite increase in the figures. Okay, so this you just look into it once again for your own sake, and then you can take a decision of investing. But of course 1 year is not a big thing. Okay, anyway, let us go for the next. And cash flows, yes, the cash from operating activities, of course there was a decline in profit and loss account, then definitely it is a little decline in this. And financing activities and investing activities are showing in negative figures. Whether it is increasing or decreasing secondary, but those are in a negative figures. And if you see the financial ratios, I have taken only few ratios. Those are EBITDA, return on net worth, and return on capital employed. So if you see the ratios, what we were talking about, EBITDA and return on net worth, there is a little there is a decline from year on year, but return on capital employed is increasing. So this is what we have to look into. So these are what generally the financials of metro brands, and this is what how they wanted to expanding, and they have expanded, and they wanted to expand further with a strategic plan. That's what they have come into IPO. So they are saying that 4 formats they are having: Metro, Mochi, Walkway and Crocs, which we have seen in the previous slides. We also discussed 598 stores in 30 states and union territories and 136 cities. Of course, they are in a plan to expanding more and more. So this is what, friends, about metro brands. Now you can take a decision whether to go for this IPO or not. Do your personal analysis and can take a decision. And please do subscribe if you have not subscribed the Diksuchi. Also post your comments to give more and more information about any financial content and topics. And till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.